Welcome to the fascinating world of mammals. Mammals are a diverse group of animals that share some unique characteristics, setting them apart from other creatures. From the tiny mouse to the gigantic blue whale, mammals inhabit nearly every corner of the globe. In this video, we'll explore what makes a mammal, how they're classified, and the incredible adaptations that have allowed them to thrive. Whether you're curious about their anatomy, behavior, or evolutionary history, you'll discover just how remarkable mammals truly are. Let's begin our journey by understanding the basic classification of mammals and what unites this extraordinary group. Mammals belong to the phylum Chordata and the subphylum Vertebrata, which means they have a backbone. Within the class Mammalia, there are three major groups: monotremes, marsupials, and placentals. Monotremes, like the platypus and echidna, lay eggs. Marsupials, such as kangaroos and opossums, give birth to underdeveloped young that continue growing in a pouch. Placentals, the largest group, include animals like bears, dolphins, and humans, and their young develop inside the mother's body. This classification helps scientists understand the evolutionary relationships and unique adaptations among mammals. Within the class Mammalia, there are many different orders, each with its own unique members. For example, the order Carnivora includes animals like wolves, bears, and seals, while Rodentia covers all rodents. Other orders include primates, monkeys, apes, humans, cetacea, whales, and dolphins, and Artiodactyla, even-toed ungulates like goats and giraffes. Each order represents a branch in the mammalian family tree, showcasing the incredible diversity that has evolved over millions of years. Understanding these orders helps us appreciate the wide range of forms and lifestyles found among mammals. Mammals have several anatomical features that set them apart from other vertebrates. One of the most distinctive is their jaw joint, which is composed of the dentary and squamosal bones. This differs from reptiles and birds, whose jaw joints involve different bones. Additionally, mammals have three middle ear bones, malleus, incus, and stapes, that are crucial for hearing. These bones evolved from jaw bones in their ancestor. Other features include a neocortex in the brain, specialized teeth, and a double occipital condyle at the base of the skull. These adaptations have played a key role in the success of mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their internal body temperature regardless of the environment. This trait, known as endothermy, allows mammals to remain active in a wide range of climates. Their bodies are insulated by hair, and they possess sweat glands, including specialized ones that produce milk for nursing their young. These features not only help mammals survive but also support their complex behaviors and social structures. From herds of elephants to packs of wolves, mammals display a remarkable diversity in form and function, all rooted in these shared characteristics. Though mammals are often seen as the dominant class of vertebrates, they are not the most numerous in terms of species. When compared to other animal groups, mammals actually rank near the bottom in species count. For example, there are far more species of insects and invertebrates than mammals. This perspective helps us appreciate the diversity of life on Earth and reminds us that mammals, while fascinating, are just one branch of the animal kingdom. The sheer number of insects and invertebrates dwarfs that of mammals, highlighting the vast complexity of life. When it comes to actual numbers, some mammals are far more abundant than others. Rodents, for example, have the largest populations in most habitats, outnumbering larger mammals by a wide margin. Carnivores like badgers are much less numerous than their prey, and generally, the smaller the mammal, the larger its population in a given area. This pattern is evident in studies of animal populations where rodents and rabbits dominate, while larger mammals like pronghorns and bats are less common. Understanding these population dynamics helps explain the ecological roles mammals play. One of the defining features of mammals is their ability to produce milk for their young. Lactation not only provides essential nutrition but also strengthens the bond between mother and offspring. This adaptation may have given mammals a competitive edge over reptiles, especially during the cooling climate of the Mesozoic era. The process of milk letdown is controlled by hormones, ensuring that the young receive nourishment when they need it most. From baboons to orcas, lactation is a universal trait among mammals, supporting rapid growth and survival in a variety of environments. Evolution of lactation and parental care set mammals apart from their reptilian ancestors. Unlike young dinosaurs, which had to fend for themselves, mammalian infants grow rapidly under the protection of their parents. This extended care allows young mammals to reach near adult competence before becoming independent. In monotremes like the platypus, milk seeps from pores, while marsupials such as kangaroos have true nipples inside a pouch. These adaptations have paved the way for the development of complex mammalian societies and intricate social behaviors. Hair is a hallmark of mammals, but it comes in many forms. There are three main types: vibrissae, whiskers, fur, and guard hairs. Vibrissae are specialized for touch and are usually found on the head or feet. Fur hairs are short, thin, and numerous, providing insulation. Guard hairs are longer and thicker, offering protection and helping to repel water. The structure and distribution of these hairs can vary not only between species but also within an individual, adapting to different functions and environments. Mammalian hair and skin glands are closely tied to endothermy, the ability to maintain a stable internal temperature. Hair insulates the body, while sweat and sebaceous glands help regulate heat and moisture. The hypothalamus in the brain acts as a thermostat, keeping body temperature within a narrow range. This independence from environmental temperatures allows mammals to inhabit diverse habitats, from Arctic tundras to scorching deserts. Hair and skin glands may seem simple, but they are vital to the survival and success of mammals. Mammalian hair is incredibly adaptable. The outer layer of guard hairs provides a tough, water-repellent covering while the underfur traps air for insulation. Muscles in the skin can raise or lower hairs to adjust the amount of trapped air, helping to retain or release heat. Hair also protects against sun, wind, and water. Sebaceous glands secrete oils that waterproof the hair, keeping aquatic mammals dry and terrestrial mammals comfortable. These adaptations allow mammals to thrive in environments ranging from icy seas to arid deserts. Mammals are unique among vertebrates for the complexity and importance of their scents. Specialized glands in the skin produce a variety of odors used for communication. Scent glands are found in different locations depending on the species, such as the snout, legs, or back. These scents can convey information about sex, status, age, and even diet. Scent marking is a long-lasting form of communication, helping mammals define territories, attract mates, and avoid conflict. The evolution of scent glands has led to a rich array of behaviors across the mammalian world. Odor plays a crucial role in mammalian reproduction, especially among rodents. Scent signals can attract mates, indicate sexual readiness, and even synchronize reproductive cycles. Male rodents are drawn to the scent of receptive females, while females prefer the scent of experienced males. Pheromones in urine can accelerate sexual maturity and readiness in others, ensuring reproductive success. In social species like mice, these chemical cues help coordinate breeding and maintain healthy populations. The power of scent extends beyond attraction, influencing the entire reproductive process. Whales, dolphins, and porpoises, collectively known as cetaceans, are among the most specialized aquatic mammals. They never leave the water and their bodies are perfectly adapted for life at sea. Cetaceans have streamlined shapes, flippers instead of front legs, and powerful tails for swimming. Their skin is nearly hairless, but a thick layer of blubber provides insulation and energy storage. Some whales, like the blue whale, are the largest animals to have ever lived. Cetaceans are a testament to the adaptability of mammals, thriving in an environment vastly different from their terrestrial ancestors. Baleen whales, or Mysticedae, are a suborder of whales that lack functional teeth. Instead, they have baleen plates made of keratin, which hang from the upper jaw and act as a filter. When feeding, these whales swim through swarms of small crustaceans or fish with their mouths open, then use their tongues to push water out through the baleen, trapping food inside. Baleen whales can be distinguished from toothed whales by their two blowholes and unique feeding strategies. Their gentle nature and impressive size make them icons of the ocean. Blue whale is the largest animal to have ever lived, reaching lengths of over 100 feet and weighing up to 200 tons. Its streamlined body allows it to swim at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, though it can go faster when threatened. Sadly, blue whale populations have been drastically reduced by whaling, and only a few thousand remain today. International agreements now protect these gentle giants, but challenges remain. The blue whale's story is a powerful reminder of the need for conservation and respect for the natural world. Pinnipeds include walruses, true seals, and eared seals like sea lions. These semi-aquatic mammals are adapted for both land and water. Eared seals are agile on land, using their flippers to walk, while true seals move by humping along on their bellies. In the water, their swimming techniques differ. Eared seals use their front flippers for propulsion, while true seals rely on their hind flippers and lumbar muscles. These adaptations allow pinnipeds to thrive in diverse environments, from icy polar regions to temperate coastlines. Anatomical differences between eared and true seals are reflected in their swimming styles. Eared seals, like sea lions, use their powerful front flippers to propel themselves through the water, while true seals rely on side-to-side movements of their hind flippers and lumbar region. These adaptations make each group well-suited to their particular habitats and lifestyles. Grooming behaviors also differ, with eared seals using their hind flippers and true seals using their foreflippers. Such diversity in movement and behavior highlights the adaptability of pinnipeds. Primates including monkeys, apes, and humans have unique skeletal adaptations. Arboreal primates like lemurs and many monkeys have long backs and tails for balance in the trees. Apes such as orangutans have shorter backs, broader rib cages, and robust pelvis bones for vertical posture and arm swinging. These adaptations allow primates to move efficiently in their environments, whether climbing, leaping, or walking upright. The evolution of these skeletal features has played a crucial role in the success of primates. Teeth and brains of primates reflect their varied diets and behaviors. Insectivorous primates have sharp, numerous teeth, while leaf eaters have molars adapted for grinding. Apes and humans have complex molar patterns for processing a wide range of foods. Brain size, both absolute and relative to body size, is linked to behavioral flexibility. Great apes have large brains, but some monkeys like the capuchin have brains nearly as large relative to their body size as human. This intelligence supports complex social behaviors and problem-solving abilities. Primate hands and feet are highly specialized for different ways of life. Arboreal species have long, grasping toes and opposable thumbs for climbing. Ground-dwelling monkeys have shorter thumbs and feet adapted for walking. Apes and humans have hands capable of precision grips, allowing for tool use and intricate manipulation. These adaptations have enabled primates to exploit a wide range of habitats and resources, contributing to their evolutionary success. Ungulates are mammals that walk on the tips of their toes, which are usually protected by hooves. They include some of the largest land animals, such as horses, deer, and cattle. Ungulates are divided into even-toed Artiodactyla and odd-toed Perissodactyla groups. Even-toed ungulates have complex digestive systems for processing tough grasses, while odd-toed ungulates digest cellulose in their intestine. These adaptations allow ungulates to efficiently extract nutrients from plant material, supporting their large size and active lifestyles. Ungulates have evolved specialized digestive systems to handle their plant-based diets. Ruminants like cows and goats have multi-chambered stomachs that allow them to ferment and break down cellulose with the help of microorganisms. They regurgitate and rechew their food, a process known as chewing the cud. Odd-toed ungulates, such as horses and rhinos, digest plant material in their intestines. These adaptations maximize nutrient absorption and support the energy needs of these large, active animals. Form and function of mammalian teeth are closely tied to diet. Carnivores have sharp canines for tearing meat and specialized molars for shearing. Herbivores like deer and horses have molars adapted for grinding tough plant material. Rodents have long self-sharpening incisors for gnawing, with a gap called the diastema where canines are absent. These dental adaptations enable mammals to exploit a wide variety of food sources, contributing to their evolutionary success. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. They are divided into two suborders, megabats and microbats. Microbats use echolocation to navigate and hunt insects, while megabats primarily eat fruit and do not echolocate. Bats have a wide range of feeding habits, including eating nectar, fish, frogs, and even blood. Their wings are highly specialized, with elongated fingers supporting a thin membrane. This diversity has made bats the second largest order of mammals, found almost everywhere on Earth. Bats exhibit a remarkable range of feeding strategies. While most are insectivorous, some bats feed on fruit, nectar, fish, frogs, or even blood. Nectar-feeding bats have incredibly long tongues to reach deep into flowers, while vampire bats gently scrape the skin of sleeping animals to lap up blood. This adaptive radiation has allowed bats to occupy ecological niches around the globe, making them one of the most successful mammalian groups. Echolocation is a sophisticated adaptation that allows microbats to hunt and navigate in complete darkness. By emitting high-frequency sounds and listening for the returning echoes, bats can detect and capture prey with incredible precision. Different species use different echolocation strategies, such as frequency-modulated or constant frequency calls, to suit their environments and prey. Some insects have evolved to detect bat sonar, leading to an ongoing evolutionary arms race between predator and prey. Endothermy is the ability of an organism to regulate its internal body temperature through metabolic processes, rather than relying on external sources of heat. In mammals, endothermy is supported by features like hair, sweat glands, and a high metabolic rate. This adaptation allows mammals to remain active in a wide range of environments, from freezing polar regions to hot deserts. Endothermy is a key factor in the evolutionary success of mammals, enabling them to exploit diverse ecological niches. Lactation is the process by which female mammals produce milk to nourish their young. This unique adaptation provides essential nutrients and antibodies, supporting rapid growth and development. Lactation also fosters a strong bond between mother and offspring, laying the foundation for complex social behaviors. The evolution of lactation is considered a major factor in the success of mammals, allowing them to care for their young in ways unmatched by other vertebrates. Mammalian hair is a defining characteristic of the class Mammalia. Composed of keratin, hair serves multiple functions including insulation, camouflage, sensory perception, and protection. Different types of hair such as vibrissae, fur, and guard hairs are adapted for specific roles. Hair in combination with skin glands is closely linked to endothermy, helping mammals maintain a stable internal environment and thrive in diverse habitats. And communication is a powerful tool in the mammalian world. Specialized glands produce a variety of odors used for marking territory, attracting mates, and conveying social information. Pheromones play a key role in reproductive behavior, synchronizing cycles and signaling readiness. The evolution of scent communication has enabled mammals to develop complex social structures and maintain cohesion within groups. Adaptive radiation is the process by which organisms diversify rapidly into a multitude of new forms, particularly when a change in the environment makes new resources available. In mammals, adaptive radiation has led to the evolution of bats, whales, primates, and countless other groups, each adapted to specific ecological niches. This process underlies the incredible diversity observed within the mammalian class today.